So good morning. In our last class, we were discussing about how to express very large and very small numbers in scientific notation. I have told you, if you have to shift the decimal point towards the left, then the power of 10 will be positive. If the decimal point is to be shifted to the left, then the power of 10 will be positive. And if the decimal point is to be shifted to the right, then the power of 10 will be negative. Right? This is regarding scientific notation. I think the idea of scientific notation is clear. If it is clear, we will now try to solve some of the numerical problems which are based on your understanding of plane angle, solid angle, and then parallax method. Right? See, in the last class I was telling you a circle, a complete circle, one complete circle is divided into 360 degrees. One complete circle is divided into one circle is divided into 360 degrees, and further each degree is divided into 60 arc minute. 60 arc minute, which we write as 60 dash. This must be written as 60 dash or 60 prime. Right? So each degree is divided into 60 minutes. Now, see, the minute here is not the time. It's not the unit of time. Instead, it is the smaller unit of angle. You can observe here. Here I have a meter scale. This is 1 meter scale. Right? This is a 1 meter scale. 1 meter, right? 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter, isn't it? 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. Andre, if I divide this scale into 100 equal parts, if I divide this scale into 100 equal parts, each part will be of 1 centimeter. Here, centimeter is the smaller unit of length. Centimeter kuda length de unit, but it's a smaller unit of length. Hagadre 1 meter ಎಷ್ಟು centimeters ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 meter is made up of 100 centimeters, isn't it? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 1 degree can be divided into 60 minutes. 1 degree can be divided into 60 minutes. Further, 1 minute, 1 minute, so this is 1 minute. 1 minute can be divided into 60 arc seconds, or you can write this as 60 double dash. This is arc second or 60 seconds, right? So, one circle is nothing but 360 degree, which you can write as 2 pi radians. Radians na express madbekadaga one circle will be equal to 2 pi radian, the angle subtended by a complete circle at its center will be 2 pi radian. Then particularly one circle always subtends an angle equal to 2 pi radian, which is nothing but 360 degree. 1 degree is equals to 60 arc minutes, which is represented as 60 dash, 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 arc second, which is represented as 60 double dash, right? Now, we will, can you tell me what is the SI unit of angle? Can you tell me what is the SI unit of angle? SI unit of angle, plane angle, SI unit of plane angle. SI, system international unit or international system of unit for plane angle is radian. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನವಲ್ಲ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 360 degree in radian express ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. We expressed 360 degree in radians. 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. That is done. Similarly, we have to express 1 minute in the radians. 1 minute radians ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ we have to express 1 second in radian. 1 second in radian. So 1 minute is equals to how many radians? 1 second is equals to how many radian? That must be calculated. All the angles, however small they may be, however eshtana kammi irli angle adu, that must be expressed in radians, right? We will try to express these small units of angle, 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians, right? We'll now try to do that. See, we are now just trying to express all these 1 minute, 1 second in radian. 1 minute, 1 second, all these are the units of angle. They are smaller units of angle. But now minute ಮತ್ತು seconds ನ ಇವಾಗ angles ನ measure ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? radian ನ measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 minute ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 1 second ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Angle subtended by complete circle at its center is 360 degree. Degree na express ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ will express it in radians. How many radians is 360 degree equal to ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 pi radians. How many radians is 180 degree equal to? How many radians is 180 degree equal to? 180 degree ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 180 degree pi radian ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 minute equal to how many radians? Minute is also unit of angle, smaller unit of angle. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 minute is equals to how many radians? Do you know that? 1 minute is equals to how many radians? Radians. Minutes ನಾಗ ಬೇಡ, seconds ನಾಗ ಬೇಡ, radians ನಾಗ ಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. That must be now calculated. We have to calculate 1 minute is equals to how many radians? This must be calculated. Similarly, we have to calculate 1 second is equals to how many radians? Right? This is our question now. We need to do this. Is the question clear? We have to now calculate 1 minute is equals to how many radians and 1 second is equals to how many radians. Adun calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Shall we first again convert 360 degree into radians? We know 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. Correct? 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. Hagadre 360 degree is equals to 360 into 1 degree. 360 into 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radians. 180 ones are 180 twos are. So this will be 2 pi radians. This will be 2 pi radians. So 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. I think this is clear. Okay. 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. Then go through this question. Ilon question ad nodri. See, the question says calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute, 1 second in radians. You have to calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians. Use 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. Idun use madri anta helare. 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians use madri. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes anta use madri. and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to calculate 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians. Is the question clear? Is the question clear? Is the question clear? Okay. Fine. So we are now asked to calculate 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians. You can make use of this data. They have given us some information. The data that is given to us is 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radians. This is given to us. You can make use of this. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Using this data, you have to now calculate 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second in radians. We will now first try to calculate what is 1 degree equal to in radians. 1 degree in radians. 1 degree in radians. See, we can make use of these three information. 1, 2, 3. Even now use problem calculation method. We have 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi radians. This is given to us. 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಇರೋದು 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ I have to use degree information. I have 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. 360 degree can be written as 360 into 1 degree. That is equals to 2 pi radians. That is equals to 2 pi radian. 360 degree can be written as 360 into 1 degree. That is equals to 2 pi radians. Hagadre 1 degree is equals to, I want the value of 1 degree. 1 degree is equals to 2 pi divided by 360 radians. Correct? This denominator goes 1 degree is equals to 2 pi divided by 360 radians. 1 degree is equals to 2 pi divided by 360 radians. 1 degree is equals to 2 ones are 2 180s are cancel after that. So pi divided by 180 radians. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. This was known to us. Even further simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to further simplify this? 1 degree is equals to, see, I have asked you to remember the value of pi. Pi value ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Pi value is generally 22 by 7 ನಂತರ ಇರ್ತಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 ನ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 3.142. 22 by 7 is 3.142. So remember the value of pi. Pi is 3.142. Right? The value of pi is 3.142. Okay. So the value of pi is 3.142 divided by 180 radians. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3.142 divided by 180. 3.142 divided by 180. So we'll do it. I think you are able to see the calculator out here. So 3.142 divided by 180 will be equal to 0.0174. 1 degree will be 0.0174 radians. 0.0174 radians. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. We should leave this at this point, or we should express it in scientific notation. We should leave this value at this point, or we should express it in scientific notation. 0.0174 radians ಬಂದಿದೆ. 0.0174 radians. You must express this in scientific notations. Must express this in scientific notation. So decimal point must be shifted after the first non-zero digit. The first non-zero digit here is 1. So ಈ decimal point na 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ decimal point is moving towards the right. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 degree will be equal to 1 degree will be equal to 1 degree will be equal to 1.74. 1.74. ಎಷ್ಟು digits ಮುಂದೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. So this is the value of 1 degree in radians. This is 1 degree in radians. 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. So 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. Pi by 180 radian kuda correct. 1 by pi 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians is also right. Pi value substitute ಮಾಡಿ evaluate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi value is 3.142. 3.142 divided by 180 is 0.0174 radian. ನಾವು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, scientific notations. So decimal must be after the first non-zero digit. So ಈ decimal ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 to 2 digits ಮುಂದೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ? 1 degree ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1 degree in radians. 1 degree in radian is not clear. So 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. Right? Okay. Shall we now move on to the second part of the problem? Second part of the problem. Enade nodri, second part of the problem. You need to calculate angle of 1 minute in radians. 1 minute in radians. 1 minute andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? Need to now calculate what is 1 minute in radians. So 1 minute in radians. So to do this, we will make use of the information that contains minute. That contains minute. We have 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. We have 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 1 minute in radian. So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, we have 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. ಇದನ್ನ ಪದನ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? I write it as 1 degree is equals to 60 into 1 minute. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು 1 minute. ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You should somehow get 1 minute in the problem. How some question ಏನು ಬಂತದು? Video. Okay. I'll however upload the recorded video. Do not worry about it. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ video problem ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ don't worry. I'll be uploading the recorded video. I was telling you they have given us 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So I am writing 1 degree is equals to 60 minute can be written as 60 into 1 minute. Sir, ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಿ 60 into 1 minute ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇ 1 minute. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಾ 60 into 1 minute ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. 60 into 1 minute. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is 1 minute equal to? ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 1 minute. 1 minute equal to 1 divided by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60 degrees. Correct? 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60 degrees. Is this part clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನನಗೆ 1 minute in radians ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes ಅದ. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes na I'm writing it as 60 into 1 minute. So 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60 degrees. 1 divided by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60 ikkade denominator hoguತ್ತದೆ. 1 divided by 60 degrees. But I want minutes not in degrees. Instead I want minute in radian. 1 minute in radian is asked. So what I further do is I write 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60. 1 by 60 degree. 1 by 60 into 1 degree. 1 by 60 degree is written as 1 by 60 into 1 degree. 1 by 60 into 1 degree is 1 by 60 degree. Right? 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 into, do you remember the value of 1 degree in radian? 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 1 degree ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. ನೋಡಿ minutes radian ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 60 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. 1 degree is nothing but 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. So 1 degree ರಲ್ಲಿ 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian ಆಗಲಿ. Now you have to evaluate this. 1 minute is equals to 1 into 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 is 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 60 radians. Divided by 60 radians. So this must be now evaluated. This must be now evaluated. So we will do that. So what is to be evaluated is 1.74 divided by 60. 1.74 divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 0.029. Okay, so if you evaluate this, you get 1 minute is equals to 1.74 divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.029 ಬರ್ತದೆ into ಈ 10 power minus 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. We have just divided 1.74 divided by 60. 1.74 divided by 60 is 0.029 into 10 power minus 2 radians. Okay. Is this the standard notation? E number na standard notation I express ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it becomes 1 minute is equals to decimal is to be shifted after first non-zero degree right side ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this becomes 2.9 into 10 power minus 2. ಈ number 2.9 into 10 power minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ into 10 power minus 2 ಅಂತ radians. Not clear. Calculation not clear. ಇದೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ 10 power minus 2 ಬರ್ತರಿ. Calculation is bit difficult ಅಲ್ಲ. Calculation clear ಅದ? Shall we move forward? Can we calculate it further? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ. So this is expressed in scientific notation. 2.9 into 10 power minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಇದೆರಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದೆರಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a power m into a power n. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೈಸಿಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. we know a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. correct ಅಲ್ಲ? a power m into a power n is equals to, I'll explain it again, don't worry, I'll explain it again. a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 is 10 power minus 2 minus 2. 10 power minus 2 minus 2 will be 10 power minus 4. So 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 4 radians. This is the value of 1 minute in radian. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radians. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. I want you to remember this. You must express a physical quantity in terms of its numerical value and unit. Okay. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. I'll explain it again. Okay. Fine. See, we were asked to express 1 minute in radian. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes can be written as 60 into 1 minute. 60 into 1 minute. 1 ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 1 minute. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇದು 1 minute ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 minute ಈ 60 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. 1 minute is equals to 1 divided by 60 degrees. 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 into 1 degree ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 into 1 degree ನ ಅವಾಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. correct ಅಲ್ಲ? 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radian. So ಈ 1 degree ಇರಲ್ಲಿ 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 1 degree ಇರಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು 1 degree ಇರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ? ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ 1 degree ಇರಲ್ಲಿ 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು ಈ 1 degree ಇರಲ್ಲಿ? ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? why we have substituted it? ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಗೆ I wanted minute in radian, isn't it? I wanted 1 minute in radian, so I must express or I must try to express the values in radian. So ನನಗೆ 1 degree ಸಿಕ್ತು, 1 degree value ನನಗೆ radian ನ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗೆ 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. So ಇದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದೇ 1 degree. 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. Okay. 1 into 1.74 into 10 power minus 2. Numerator multiply ಮಾಡಿ 1 into 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 is 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 60 radian. 1.74 divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತಾ. PU ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀಟು ಕೇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜೆಡಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ, ರೈಟ್? ವಿತೌಟ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ. 1.74 divided by 60 will be 0.029 ಇದು into 10 power minus 2 radian ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Express this in scientific notation. 0.029 can be written as 2.9 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 is radian. 2.9 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 is 10 power minus 4. Law of indices ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radians. Not clear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. You need to learn. ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. You must learn at this stage. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಫ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬುಕ್. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is equals to 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ. ಸರ್ ಈ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಾವು 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ನಂಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is equals to 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅದೇ. ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಾಗೇ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is equals to 1.74 in 10 power minus 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds ಮುಗಿತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ. ನಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 minute, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Things would be over, isn't it? The thing is, I do not know what is second. If I look at this data, 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, I want to calculate what is 1 minute, and I know what is 1 degree already. 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. I have to use that information which is known to me. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is that clear? So will you try to calculate what is 1 second? 1 second ನೀವೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? I'll just give you some hint. You try to calculate what is 1 second in radians. I'll just give you some hint. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute can be written as 60 into 1 second. 1 minute can be written as 60 into 1 second. I want 1 second to be expressed in radian. So 1 second can be written as 1 second can be written as 1 divided by 60 minutes. 1 divided by 60 minutes. 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. So 1 second is equals to 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 into 1 minute. 1 by 60 into 1 minute. 1 by 60 minute can be written as 1 by 60 into 1 minute. Right? So we know what is 1 minute equal to in radians. We know what is 1 minute equal to in radians. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radians. So this will be 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 radians. 1 second is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 2.9 divided by 60 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will get somewhere around 0.048. Very good, somebody has expressed it. 4.8.10 power minus 6 radian is right. Will you calculate this? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 1 minute can be written as 60 into 1 second. I want the value of 1 second in radians. So 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 into 1 minute. 1 by 60 minute can be written as 1 by 60 into 1 minute. 1 by 60 into 1 minute is expressed in radians. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radian. So write it. ಈಗ 2.9 divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿ 2.9 divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿ we get around 0.048 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radian. Into 10 to the power of minus 4 radian. So in scientific notation I express material, you will get it about 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. Yes. So this is how you have to express degree, minutes and seconds in radians. Is this clear? Is this problem clear? I'll upload this video again, go through it. Enadru artha agilla antandre you can just message me or you can call me, right? Okay, we'll solve some more problems in the next class. Probably naadinda madam tagotar matte. I'll take up the class again next week. We'll see next